It looks promising.
You got a boost leak.
Unfortunately, we still have the problem. Then maybe we will find the fault now.
I was told to go get points, and I brought back 1 single point, so that's a start. Car's been handling good. We went out on used tires from qualifying, so the tires kind of went away in the last 10 minutes.
When there's tire, the up is good.
Yeah.
Happy with 5th, not 6th.
I had a good start. Yeah, so.
The last lap, it cut out on me 3 times. Like I was out of fuel. I hope it's fuel cut out. I'm a little concerned though. So I saw a little smoke coming out of the exhaust. I thought I did. I didn't want to take any chances. All the temperatures and everything looked good, so that was good. It was unfortunate. I was really happy with 5th place, considering what we had been doing and struggling with, and how it kind of all came together. And hopefully, it's okay.
What are you gonna do? Just pour it in and see how it runs. Back to work. You know, more experience and do it better than that.
It's out of fuel, right?
I mean, kind of. I don't know how long you had that boost leak, but that can change the range of the fuel.
Things. He said that it looked like the fault was that just the drivetrain needed to be replaced in total.
Nope, sorry.
So he's checking with Classic. He thinks they've got one.
Oh, what?
Just the drivetrain in total. I think they said $28,000.
Oh, new motor?
No, they said
Not
more than 28.
Not more than 28, but that doesn't include the diff, and the diff is 10.
Okay, cool.
The last transmission fault occurred before the race started.
Now just let go of the hood.
Just let it happen.
Right, I don't want to be an asshole and be like, let's put a gearbox in it, and it's still effed, right?
Yeah.
Like, while you guys figure it out, we'll go program our app.
I feel abandoned. This will be on your Yelp review.
John, write it down.
Did you settle it?
Sure did, buddy.
All right. Can I kick it? You?
Yes, you can.
We're still searching for our power problem. We went out for a hardship lap. We still had a little stumble, so we're continuing to work on the car to try to find the issue.
Power's fine, but now it's stumbling, that same kind of fuel-related stumble that we had yesterday. But there should be plenty of fuel, so I'm not really sure what's going on. Maybe the pump's moved in the wreck or something. We may just have to top it off a little extra. Already.
That's it?
Yeah, it only pumped for like a second or two, and it looked dry.
Like nothing.
And we thought that was weird, so we cycled the pump and got a lot more gas out of it.
They seem to haunt us.
I'm taking this off, and I feel like I'm not gonna see.
Yeah, probably.
All right, well, I guess you're gonna run what we got. I mean, I don't know what else we can do right now.
Put it back on, get the car right here.
Put more fuel in it.
Balance, okay. No wheel weights. That's never happened. It must be my goddamn lucky day.
Moo Buckaroo. Fucking real American now. That fucking thing was completely open again.
Who let Pierre fuel the car?
Feeling great. Car's been handling good. We got sticker set today that should last the entire time.
There's a little bit of uncertainty on certain areas. We won't have a chance to test it. I think we've done everything that we can, and if we solve the fuel cutout, I think we're going to be in okay shape. Certainly get some points to maintain a certain position in the championship standings and not get a DNF. Actually the best the car ran. It handled good on the braking. It was good in what we worked on in the short period of time that we had. Turned in well to the left, the slow lefts, and was good through the carousel. So I can't really complain. But
They got way more power down that back straight.
Oh yeah, dude, you're getting yanked on the
you can
straightaway.
see it,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
We got 8th place. So it's better than not finishing. You know, from what we have dealt with of issues.
Well, I basically feel like if we were in the military, we just got past Hell Week and we were through boot camp.
So it could very well have been that we did not finish, and we did, so we got points, so we got to be thankful for that. I'm happy, and the team should be proud.
Not the results we wanted, but we made the track, which is stupid.
Pushed the car off and driving it back on, so.
That's backwards. Glad we did it. Don't want to do it like that again, but glad we did it.
Here, here.
Until next week, we'll forget about all this.
Right?
Like, oh, let's go racing.
Cheers. Woo! Thank you, guys. HARD Motorsports.